Hi friends, hi YouTube, hi my little clowns. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. So I'd love to have you subscribe and join in on my clown parade. But today I did a palette bingo, which I've tried to do these before. They have not gone well, so I'm really happy that this one went really well. I used the Nomad Cosmetics Haunted Europe palette. This is my favorite palette of theirs. I think it is their best palette, and I'm so excited for their new one, which I'm going to be picking up. But like I said, I'd love to have you on the clown parade. But without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so since I film on my phone, I can't really show you how like the number generator thing went. But these, if it'll focus, there we go. These are the shades. It is the Catacombs, Ghost River, Count Dracula, Krampus, and Dragsholm Castle that got picked, which it's not a bad mix. I don't know if I would have put this shade and the purple together, but it is what it is. It's what got picked. So I think to start, I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Ghost River, and I'm going to be putting that into the crease. Okay, so now that I have that shade there, I'm going to go in with the Count Dracula shade right here. Just a little bit, not a lot, because Nomad shadows are potent in a very amazing, wonderful way. And I'm going to be putting that right here just to deepen the crease a little, and very lightly. So I'm going to be going in with this shade right here called Catacombs, and I'm going to be taking a little tiny bit of that and putting that in the outer edge of my eye. So now that I have as much like of that as I want on there, I'm going to go in with the shade Krampus, and I'm going to be putting that right here. And that brush I used before was the Rephr 14, and I'm using the Rephr 13 right now, which, thank you, Jan, for sending me these. Gosh, it's been so long. But they've been my favorite brushes since. But I'm just blending that Catacomb shade and this Krampus shade together. My hand is so shaky, oh my goodness. Have you guys seen the new Nomad palette? I'm actually going to be getting it, and I think I'm gonna get the Hudson one while I'm there because I love it and I've always wanted it. So I cleaned the brush off a little, and I'm gonna do it after every time I touch it, but just dragging that out a little bit so then it's blended and the lines aren't so harsh. And I'll be taking this shade right here called Highgate Cemetery, which I don't even think I mentioned when I was saying the shades that I picked out earlier because, you know, I'm smart. But I'm going to be putting that on the inner corner. And I'm going to be cleaning that brush off. This is a kitchen rag, by the way. One of these ones. Because I have nothing else to wipe it off with. So I'm going to take that brush, and after it's cleaned off, and just blend these two together just a tiny bit. But yeah, I'm liking this so far. I might add a little bit of the green right here. Yeah, I'm gonna blend that out with my finger. So I'm gonna go film the Instagram, TikTok, YouTube short video for this. And then I will be right back to do highlight, blush, lip, all that good stuff. So, oh my goodness, this was like, I know, I was gonna say it was a journey, but really it was me just being slow. It's been like a couple hours, like, genuinely. If I didn't do the whole hand transition, I probably would have actually done the SpongeBob one that I've been putting in. Because that would just, like, really work. Okay, I'm using, as always, the Melt Lynx Cream Blush Light. I absolutely love this. This has become, like, my most favorite blush. Or at least if, like, sometimes I use this under other blushes, just so that it sticks. But yeah, look at that. And we can't forget the nose. Every time that I think I'm really close to getting rid of this cold or allergy bullshit, it stays and it pisses me off. I'm sort of thinking like a darker lip, but I'm also feeling like something just a tad bit more neutral. So I think I'll do sort of a mix of both. This is the Basic Beauty Lip Liner in Cocoa and the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick. I need to get a newer one because I know that one's old. But this is me mixing the lighter and dark. And I think for highlighter, I'm going to use this Essence one, like a goldish one, sort of. I don't know. And I think maybe put a little bit of the green in there if I can. Or that shade, maybe like a mix of those in this. I don't know, I'm feeling, I don't really know what I should be doing for highlight with this, you know? That was the Essence Pure Nude highlighter. I tried to find one that's similar to it on the website because I'm pretty sure that was an Ipsy one. But I'm going to go in with, like, very lightly with this. And put that over. Ooh, I don't know if that's coming across as well as it is in person on camera. Okay, I might have just talked myself right now into getting that Rem Beauty green highlighter. Because, oh my goodness. Yeah, wow. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to do an under eye or not. I'm kind of not feeling it, so I think I might just take a little bit of that, what is it? Highgate Cemetery, like, green shade right here, and just put that under. So this is the final completed look. I absolutely love this. Anytime that I've ever done a palette bingo, it has not gone well. It has not given me good colors. So I've just been like, no. So I'm glad that this was like my first experience actually going through with a palette bingo. And that it turned out this good. I feel so pretty. I feel so gorgeous. So just, you know, right now. This is my favorite Nomad palette, by the way. Like, I'm so glad that it was this palette that gave me, like, the best and most happiest bingo. But if you made it to this portion of the video, or this part of the video to the end of the video, I thank you. I appreciate it so much. I almost said I love you. You know, whatever. I love you. Thank you for being here. But just a reminder to not be racist, not be homophobic, not be transphobic, don't be a piece of shit, essentially. That it is so much easier to be nicer and kinder, and to ignore the things that you do not like, that you do not understand. Why put energy into all the things that don't make you happy, that are just mean, when you could put that energy into, you know, things that you enjoy, things that make you happy, rather than being a dick. But whether it's like the week, the weekend, nighttime, morning, whatever it is, I hope that you have a good day, good night, whatever it is. And a reminder to be safe.